Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in today's video I will show you exactly how to make money with CPA marketing using ChatGPT in 2025, and it will be a step-by-step video. So if you don't need a website like here, you don't actually need a website, you don't need to be a tech expert, and yes, this works worldwide. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So first of all, what actually is CPA marketing? You just need to understand. So let's ask ChatGPT what actually it is. What is CPA marketing? So he will or ChatGPT will provide us a couple of things where we will get a short brief in here. So you can see that CPA stands for cost per actions marketing, and this means you get paid when someone takes a specific action like submit their email, installing an app, sign up for a free trial. Unlike affiliate marketing, they don't have to buy anything, just complete the actions, and that's why it is super beginner friendly. So now our target was how we can take help from ChatGPT to start our CPM marketing. Now you might be asking, where does ChatGPT come in? Simple. ChatGPT help you to generate high converting content fast, create emails, landing pages, or social media posts, come up with niche ideas and scripts for videos or ads. It's like having a full-time content and marketing assistant for free. Now let's talk about the first system, that is join as CPM marketing. So here actually, to get started you need to join a CPA marketing, somewhat beginner friendly ones include like CPA grip. Let's search for CPA grip here, and you will enter in that place. Then next, bounty, all are really popular. Bounty. Similarly, then third one is my lead, then this one is my lead, and into the last that is add work media. So here you can see these are the CPM marketing platform. So you just need to sign up and then get approval and start browsing offers. Looks for high converting ones like gift card giveaways, sweepstakes, app install, free trial sign up. Pick an offer with a simple actions and a good payout. $1 to $3 is a great for start. So you just need to go over here, then create an account, then wait a bit. Once it approved, then you can start your marketing through these options. So that's really amazing and really simple. Now you just need to be use ChatGPT to create content, and in this step we are going to talk about that one. So now it's time to bring in ChatGPT. Let's say you choose a $100 Walmart gift card giveaway offer and ask ChatGPT actually. So I will start fresh in here. So I will click over here, new chat, and then I will give a prompt that is write a short TikTok script to promote a free 100 Walmart gift card giveaway. So here actually you can see giveaway ending with a strong CTA, ending with a strong CTA, and that's it. Now you just need to go over here and then just click to this button, or you can hit the enter button in your keyboard. Just click this one, and then you can also ask for something else, but here you can see we already get an script with high CTA in here. So you can write more from like create a personalized Facebook post for free, $100 gift card offer. Keep it casual and engaging. You can also ask it for write email sequence, Instagram captions, Reddit post, landing page headlines, and the goal is to make your offer more trustworthy and more engaging in here. So once it's done, then you just need to be create this script as it is you want. Then once it's done, then you just need to be promote the CPA offer. So in this step, we're going to talk about this one. You can promote CPA offers for free using ChatGPT generated content. Here is a how. First of all, first option is Reddit, find subreddits like freebies or deals, post useful content and include your offer in a helpful way. Then two options, number two, that is TikTok, link in bio. Use ChatGPT to script short attention grabbing videos, talk about how to win free gift cards on apps, add your CPA link in your bio using a link to your bio tool. Then third option is Facebook groups. You just need to join a niche specific groups, create curiosity, post like just got a $100 gift card using this site, drop the link in the comments on DMs instead are interested people. Now let's talk about the Quora. This is option 4. So you can use the Quora. Quora is one of the greatest platform in social media options. So here you can see they people ask questions in that place and they get answered frequently. So you can answer questions like how can I get free cards online, give real value and drop your CPA links subtly. Then option 5 is Medium blogging. So write simple blog post using ChatGPT, share your experience and include your CPA link. You don't need to spam, just help people find offers they are already looking for. So now let's talk about step 4, that is track and scale. So you can use platforms like Bitly or beacons.ai. Like here, let's search for Bitly. And here you can see this is the bitly.com. You can short your URL. This helps to see which traffic source is performing best and what posts are converting the most. Once something works, double down on that method or reinvest profits into ads like TikTok or YouTube Shorts for more reach. Also, ask ChatGPT to write a follow-up message for people who clicked my CPA link but did not convert. You can use this to retarget people and boost your conversations. Now let's give you a bonus tip. Like here is a bonus strategy that asks ChatGPT to create a lead magnet like a free checklist or ebook and then offer it in exchange for an email. Now you are building a list. You can promote multiple CPA offers to long term. Then let's give an example that is create a one-page checklist or 10 legit ways to earn gift cards online in 2025. So that's how you can start making money with CPA marketing and ChatGPT in 2025. No product, no experience, no paid tools required. Just choose a good offer, use ChatGPT to create content and promote it smartly. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and drop a comment if you want a part 2 or a deep dive into one of these traffic methods. See you in the next video.